Hey, how's everyone doing? Tall Dan here. So we're back out again today to pick up more scrap. We had a big turnout this year. A lot of people contacted me, want me to come pick up scrap. So I had to make 2 trips. A lot of the people I'm going to pick up at their house now, I'm a little late because I gave them a time frame between 9 and 1 and it's already 1:51. So we're going to go pick up more, and if you want, follow me along my journey and see how much scrap I get. Alright, peace. Hey guys, so we just got to our first stop, second trip today. They said it was a TV, a big TV, but they didn't tell me it was a plasma. The plasmas I do not take just because they're all wood, but the microwave I can take. So I gotta send them a message later like, hey, plasmas I can't take. But we got 10, 11 more stops to do today. I'm beat. I wasn't expecting as much as we did today. But I hope you guys liked watching. That wasn't good. Yeah, broke the dang glass. So we'll pick all that up real quick. Hopefully I don't cut myself. Just throw all that in the truck. And I did nick myself. Stupid. Alright. If you guys are watching, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. That way I can do more videos like this, picking up scrap and scrapping. Then I'll do a video of taking it off in the backyard. Alright, on to the next one. Peace. Alright, so we're at the next stop. I had to jump out real quick, load on a hot water heater because I had a what's it called beside me, recycling, so I couldn't take too long and they wanted to get by, so I had to muscle that on real quick. And now we're picking up a riding lawnmower and maybe a grill. Alright, here's the homeowner. How you doing? Alright, so I gotta close this back up, go up, turn around, and I'm on back in once he moves his truck. But hopefully we can find somewhere up there to turn around. This road's pretty tight. Been scratching my tires already. Alright, let me go turn around. Alright, thank you.
Okay, sure.
Alright, so that was a lot easier than I thought. So we got the tractor on, got the riding lawnmower, now just gotta throw a strap over that. Make sure it don't fall. See, I know I'm not Mr. Talkative. That's why I like talking on camera. It's different from talking to people. And I don't know. I'm trying to break myself out of my comfort zone. Alright. get this all tied up. Yeah, I'll just go straight across. Made it a lot easier since I was allowed to back on the grass. Some people don't want you back on the grass, so it's difficult sometimes. Once I stop at another place, I'll take that strap off. That way I can put something under there and not waste all that room. Oh. I didn't want to have him sitting there waiting for me to put on gloves, so I just threw the gloves down. But we're out of here. We're on to the next place. See ya. Alright, so we just got to our other stop.
Hi.
Hello, how you doing? Yeah, we made 2 trips so far, so I had to drop off the other trailer and unload the truck.
Wow, that's a good thing, right?
Yeah.
That means you're getting lots of scrap.
Yep.
Wonderful, wonderful. Well, it was perfect timing because I was like, oh, I'm getting ready to set up the porch. I don't think I want that anymore. And then I saw your friend or whoever's ad.
My wife.
Your wife, okay, there you go. Hopefully she's your friend too.
Yes.
But it's pretty heavy. That's why with what you've got there, you can't back in. But I was thinking you could pull right up.
Yeah.
But not going to happen. So.
If I get it off of here, I'll grab the hand truck.
I'll see if I can help you. Anything with you?
No.
Oh, you don't?
I had my friend and my wife earlier, but I had to drop them off.
Okay. I don't know if you'll be able to lift this by yourself, but...
Well, once I get it off, the hand truck will lift it.
Oh, you have a...
Yep.
Oh, let's see if I can help you drag that over. Will that help? Yeah.
All right, I'll be right back.
Okay, good. Yeah, if you've got something that'll do that, that'll be...
Yeah, it'll pick it right up. See, always meet new nice people. All right, let me shut you guys off. All right, as you guys can see, I got the grill all up on and all strapped in. We're ready to go to the next place now. Whew. But we're halfway done, so that's the good part. All right, we just got to the next house. They said everything was on the side of the house. I should expect some little bit of aluminum. For this, I'm actually done put on the gloves. Aluminum will cut my fingers. Oh, whoa, 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 that's a lot. That is a good amount of aluminum. So this should be fun. Dragging all this out. Nope, dropping the glove. Oh. Alright, I'll set you guys up on time lapse and get all this cleaned out. Oh, they're working back on the truck. Alright, so we got all that cleaned up. Just got this little bit. They'll clean all the little tiny pieces up, but we got all that, so we're out of here. We're on our way. We got 4 more stops, and then I'm going home having a beer. This was a lot of work. It may not look like it, but that big tractor, all that stuff and all this, that's a good day's work, especially since we woke up at 7 and we started around 8. Yep, see you guys at the next one. Alright, so I'm supposed to be stopping at this house to pick up something under a brown tarp, a fridge or something else. But I don't know. I don't like going on to people's property when I can't see the item. Bring the hand cart just in case. Oh. Alright, plus I got all these vehicles in the way. That's the only brown tarp I see. So it must be a little fridge. But we had an okay day today. Just hopefully I don't get shot or something. Oh. A washer and dryer. Okay, so now I gotta call my wife again because it's a washer and dryer. But I'll just let my wife know. Okay. Yeah, that's the only metal I see. So my guess is these still work. Ooh, they would be pretty nice. Alright, I'll bring you guys back in when I get these loaded. Alright, so we got the washer and dryer loaded on. Emptied out some water. But we got 2 more stops. And I'm on my way home to have a beer. But this stop was a little confusing because it started off me picking up a fridge. Then it turned into washers, well, a washer and dryer. Yeah. So it's always good to have your notes in order before you head someplace. That way you ain't walking onto somebody's property like, oh hey, you guys selling cookies? No. What are you talking about, cookies? Alright, we're on to the next one. Hey, so I just stopped at another house, picked up one more thing that I had on the list. It was a dryer, but it's on such a main road that's so busy I couldn't record or nothing. We got one more stop. I didn't even program it in the phone yet, so let me just go around here and do that. But then we're on our way home. We're all done for today after just one more stop. Alright, if you guys followed along my video, thank you very much, and I hope to see you on the next one. Alright, so we just got to our last stop. Got a grill somebody left for me, but I came back out of this little parking lot, so I'm staying right there and backing right up that driveway. So this was a long day. I wish I could have made this video pretty cool, and wife told me to buy Powerball tickets tonight. So I was gonna say on the video, anyone that likes and subscribe to my channel, I would give you guys a % of it. But I'm not sure how to upload videos yet, so I gotta wait for my buddy Naz to, ooh, there we go, to help me upload one. And that's how we do it. Now we're out of here. That's good enough there. Got me a tractor. Maybe they should call me Tractor Dan. Yeah. I know I'm a little bit crazy when I get tired and everything. Well, if you guys are still watching my video, please like and subscribe. Helps me stay I wouldn't say job free, but I don't have to work for a corporate company or a taxpayer job, but I do pay some taxes at the end of the year just because the government always wants his cut. All right, I'll see you guys later. Thank you. Bye.